A few months back, we checked out the Titan Smart, and this time Titan has launched the Titan Smart 2, and this has an AMOLED display. But before we get into the specifications of this new smartwatch, let's quickly take a look at the unboxing experience. So inside the box, you'll get the watch itself. You'll also get an easy attachable strap. These straps are replaceable with Titan's other straps, and you can get specific straps for this watch as well. You'll also get a charging cable and some documentation. The watch itself is made out of aluminium and has a polycarbonate back with a little bit of metal in there as well. And that metal part is for the sensors that sit next to your skin. The watch is fairly slim at just 12 millimeters, and it weighs in at 39.4 grams as well. The watch has a 240 milliamp hour battery and is rated for 7 days of use. You can connect the Titan Smart 2 with both Android and iOS, and you do get a dedicated app to control all the features of the Titan Smart 2. The Titan Smart also has a 1.78-inch AMOLED display, and this also has an always-on function in which you can choose either a digital clock or an analog clock, and both of these can be set from the watch itself. And when the watch goes into a sleep mode, you'll still be able to see a display on the watch, which will also be able to give you the time irrespective of the status of the watch. The screen has a resolution of 368 by 448 pixels, giving it a total of 326 pixels per inch. At a size of 1.78 inches combined with the AMOLED display, the screen is really sharp to look at, and the display is visible clearly whether you're indoors or outdoors. The Titan Smart 2 supports 14 sport tracking modes along with 100 different watch faces. The Titan Smart 2 also has a built-in women's health and cycle tracker. You also have things like an SpO2 monitor, a hydration alert, as well as a sedentary alert. So if you've been sitting for a while, the watch will remind you to get up and move a little bit, and it'll track your activity through the day. The device also has sleep monitoring, so you can wear it through the night to monitor how good you've slept in the night. And then you also have the usual features like a 24/7 heart rate monitor. And then you also have features that will allow you to calm down through the day, like a breathe reminder that will remind you to meditate and calm down a little bit through the day if you are getting stressed out. And that is because this also does have a stress monitor inbuilt. The Titan Smart 2 does have a built-in phone finder. So as long as you're connected to your phone, and it does connect to your phone over Bluetooth 5.1. So that means that you'll be able to locate your phone as long as you're in the range, and vice versa. If you do lose your watch somewhere, if you've kept it somewhere and you can't find it, you can use the app in your phone to locate the watch itself. You also do get notifications for incoming calls as well as text messages, and you do also have camera control built in, so you can use your phone as the camera and then use the Titan Smart 2 as the camera control remote and click pictures with the Titan Smart 2. The watch has a 3 ATM of water resistance, and everything combined, it's a pretty compelling option for $7,995. It is available in a few colors, and things like the AMOLED display with a pretty responsive user interface and features like raise to wake and an always-on display make it really exciting. If you guys are interested in the watch, we'll have a link in the description below. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not already a part of Team iGyaan. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.